In girl world, Halloween is the one night a year when a girl can dress like a total slut and no other girls can say anything about it. The hardcore girls just wear lingerie and some form of animal ears.
Doesn't she look great?
Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to be doing a get ready with me for Halloween. I'm not even doing anything for Halloween, and it's not Halloween, but I'm making this video because you might be dressing up for Halloween and need like a last minute costume idea that's really easy, or you just want to dress up like this, or you're just like whatever. And I also just want to dress up for fun, like for pictures and stuff. So I'm going to do that. I'm doing a Victoria's Secret angel model, you know, and yeah, so I'm gonna DIY a bra and bring you guys with me through it and get ready and be banging hot. So let's go. So I got everything. I got this bra from Target because Walmart didn't have ones that fit my literally like no boobs. This is a 32A. And then I got this like boa to put on it from Hobby Lobby. And then I got these jewels from Hobby Lobby, and then all of these ones I got from Walmart. These I got from Walmart, and then I got Gorilla Glue, like super glue. So I'm just gonna bedazzle it. It's gonna be so fun. Here's what I have so far. Pretty much I'm just bedazzling it. I don't want to dye my camera out though, so I'll show you guys. Like I'll check back in when I'm halfway done and then at the end. So I forgot to film in the process, but I finished. It's on, but I'm gonna hide it from you guys till the end when it's the finished look. Okay, so I'm about to do my hair and makeup, and I'm gonna wash my face, and then I'm gonna do my face makeup off of camera. Then I'll come back for like the rest, like my eyes and stuff, just because my like face and brows basically are always the same. So I just might make my brows a little fleekier, but I'll come back for like the eyeshadow and stuff. I'm not doing anything crazy obviously, but I'm gonna do like a pink look, like a pink eyeshadow look-ish to match my robe. So I'm gonna come back with my face makeup on, and then I'll do my eyes for you guys on camera. The bra's under my jacket. It's really fun, so I think this look's gonna come out really cute. So okay, see you. Okie dokie, my face and eyebrows are done. So should I like turn this light towards me? I look crazy. My eyebrows are really dark, which kind of freaks me out because I don't know, I mean, we'll see, whatever. I'm gonna do my eyes now. I'm gonna go for like a pinky look or something of the sort. I don't know. Okay, I also have this stuff, it's really pretty. So I'm going in my crease with the color Butter in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Boop, boop, boop. And just gonna put that like everywhere, I guess. I am not gonna act like I know really what I'm doing, like, but I kind of know what I'm doing, but like also not really, but like kind of. So take the color Pooter in this palette. I'm gonna deepen the crease up a little bit. Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna basically use my finger and take this pink shade called Faint. Wait, is that the right color? Yeah, the color Faint, and just put it all over my lids. And then I'm gonna blend it, like totally just blend it upwards into like the crease area. And then I'm gonna get some of my brush. I'm gonna get actually the color Little Lady and mix the two together, and then just apply it. I'm gonna do my underneath part with this little brush. Use brown. I'm gonna use a brown shade. My goal is just to be sparkly and kind of pink. That's the vibes, okay? I'm gonna do my inner corners with this color in here called Beam. Pretty. Gee, that's really bright, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna take a little tiny brush. This is like a little lip brush from e.l.f. It's a concealer brush, actually, I lied. And I'm gonna do like eyeliner, but with eyeshadow. This is one of those moments you just want to trust the process, I promise. And you're probably looking at the screen like, bitch, in what world does that look good? I don't know, honestly. I'm just gonna clean it up with some concealer. Not bad. Does it look bad? A little bit. So, who cares? I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and everything will look good. Or put mascara on, not just curl. I have to, yeah. I need to be sparklier, right? Like my cheeks and such. Yeah, that's not the move. I hate this. This sucks. Grab a towel. Kind of exfoliate your lips at this point. I forgot about this. Rub them really hard. Kind of hurt them a little bit. And then grab a lip plumper of choice. This one's called Wonder Kiss. I bought it at Marshall's. And I'm gonna put that on. My lips can get really plump because what? I would literally be so incomplete without plump lips, right? Am I right? Gonna mess up my whole eyeshadow look with mascara because I'm bad at putting mascara on. I get it all over my eyelids, but I won't fix it. Ooh, ooh, caked on with makeup. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I haven't even brushed my hair out today. Ouch. Ugh, I don't want to do my hair. It's like the worst part, right? For anyone that wants to know what curling iron I use this one. It's called, I don't know how to say it. This is the brand. I bought it from either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. It's like a 32 millimeter, I think, curling. And my pepper lights are coming off because I got to plug it in. But yeah, and I put it on 450. Should I like tease my hair a little bit? Just like kind of going crazy. I don't really know. I'm going to stick a curler. I don't know why I'm doing this again. I did this in my last video. Did it work? No, it didn't work. Okay, makes my forehead look so big. That's okay. It's fine. We're not even gonna talk about that, okay? Talk about it, I swear. I'm actually gonna come back because y'all probably don't care to see me curl my hair entirely. So I'll be back when I finish. Halfway there. Got this side done. Now I'm gonna do this side. She's curled now. I'll have to touch it up. I know I will. But I'm gonna take this thing out now. Does this do anything? This never does anything. Hair's done. This is the finished hair and makeup. Oh, just kidding. My lips. This is the lip liner in London by NYX. And do I look like a Victoria's Secret model yet? Okay, so the fit. For pants for this costume, I'm just gonna wear like white shorts because I'm gonna wear a robe also, like a pink silk robe. Hold on, I'm gonna grab it. I just have this little silk pink robe. Little shorts with it because you're not gonna really see them, and then my bra. And then I actually bought these angel wings from Walmart, the Halloween section. That's what they look like. So I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna show you guys, and it's gonna be so fun. And if I were going somewhere, I would not wear like heels because who the hell wants to wear heels? So yeah, but that's, I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. I really feel like I'm like, this is not allowed, but it is. It's a Halloween costume. But here is the bra before I put the robe over it. I got a push-up bra. They didn't have really push-up bras, and I have like no boobs, so kind of ratchet. Don't look too closely at it. Like, this part's so ugly. And then I put this little fluffy thing around it. Also, kind of ratchet. And I am fake tanned. So yeah, I want to snatch the waist. And then my angel wings, which I guess I have to put over the robe, which I kind of feel like it's gonna be ugly, but we'll see. What do we think? How fun, right? I need more boob, whatever. So here's the costume, the finished look. My wings are falling off. But yeah, it was really easy. It was fun to make. I feel cute. Look at me. Oh, wow. I'm a little angel. I'm not an angel. This is actually, switch it up. Take the robe off. You're just an angel. But I'm Victoria's Secret angel, so yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you recreate my costume, tag me in photos. Be safe this Halloween. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment below what you're gonna be for Halloween, or what you wanted to be for Halloween, or your favorite costume trend this year. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye.